68, in the case of car or vehicle, so sound like that sha. So here the stroke of that kanji. So letter vertical one. So sha. So again this is the sha. Sha for vehicle or car. So in that case, so what meaning? Jiten sha. Jiten sha. That means bicycle. So jiten sha. So here G. So this is 10. Jiten sha. Sha means car or vehicle. So in Japan, bicycle also is as a vehicle. They respect the as a vehicle is also bicycle. Bicycle is also vehicle in Japan. So jiten sha. Sha means vehicle. So jiten sha, bicycle. Den sha. Den sha. This is train. I already know. So then sha, train. Den sha, train. QQ sha. QQ sha, ambulance. Ambulance. QQ sha, ambulance. So here so this is the Q and another Q. QQ, this is the sha, vehicle. So QQ sha, this is ambulance. QQ sha, ambulance.